Well, I'm just a fool who's been misunderstood. Hey, let me tell you what I really want to say. I said ocean pasture restoration. It's for the future generation. Oh yeah. Climate restoration is for everybody. We don't want to waste our time here at COP27, no. Oh no. Yo, 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 yo. I said, if you want to make the planet a better place, the thing you should do first is see who is your real friend. Who's your real friend? I'll tell you. It might be me, but your best friend is the plankton. The plankton, that's right, man. We're the blue planet. I have friends in Sharm Sheikh, but my best friend is in the ocean, man. I said it's ocean pasture restoration will bring back the plankton. I want to tell you what the plankton can do. Listen to me, listen. I tell you what the plankton can do. I said the plankton will take out the CO2, yeah, from the atmosphere, and you know what it will do? It will change it into more plankton. That's right. It will generate white clouds. What will those white clouds do? They will reflect the sunlight, baby, so it won't overheat me and you. That's right. Yo, 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 yo. I'll take you to the bridge. The bridge of climate restoration. It's even got, we'll even save the Arctic ice from elimination with ocean pasture restoration. Yo, yo, yo. That's right, it's only good for you and me. And it's not a joke. It's big time, big time. If you look into the future, you don't want misery. You do not want a nightmare. You want to have a good time. So listen. Many rivers to cross, but I still cannot find my way to the Luxor room in the blue zone. But I found my way here, and we're gonna continue on.